Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Khona iy'ndaba eziphumayo bafethu ezidevelophayo. Ku-Soccer Beat baripota ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izohambisa amanye amaplayer ngoJanuwari ukuthi baye ku-loan because of khona amaplayer adinga i-game time, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi la maplayer angeke ayithole i-well deserved or i-game time abayidingayo ngempela. Amaplayer kubalwa uShislet, kubalwa Oshinga, kubalwa nabanye amaplayer laba abafana abancane overall, but i-Kaizer Chiefs, uKaizer Junior Motaung uthe yena ngcono amaplayer ku-Kaizer Chiefs aye ku-DDC team kunokuthi bawalone, but even manje kube ne-public outcry. Manje uBatman beka-expected ukuthi uzodlala laphana ku-DDC team, but guess what, akadlalanga. Why? Because of i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi they tracked back ukuthi hayi ithi singamisi laphana ku-DDC team ngoba lento le ngathi ikwatisa abantu, right? Ukuthi bangamlwela kangaka isikhathi esiningi at the same time bangamdlalisi laphana bamuse ku-DDC team umuntu ona 2 years experience. But I want to say this bafethu, which is very important, abantu izinto abangazazi. I-Kaizer Chiefs sometimes inokusayina amaplayer engawafuni. Yenzeka kanjani lento le? Bamanipulate ama-agent. For example, i-Kaizer Chiefs thola ukuthi ifuna uKhanyisa Mayo, ne? Ifuna umuntu abamfunayo uMayo, and then i-agent lizothi okay, uzomthola uMayo mfethu, but kumele umsayine no, for example, ngizokwenza example ngithi noShinga. So ukuthi uShinga noMayo ba-represent agent eyi-one. Ngenze example, angisho ukuthi kanjalo, never mfethu, ninga-understand kahle. But because of mina, I've worked for i-agent, I've seen lama move lawo enzeka phambi kwami. Basani iplayer ngeke balidlalise at all, uzibuza ukuthi lifike kanjani le player. Kanti no, le player leli balisayina ukuthi bathole le player leli elinye abalidingayo ngempela. Leli nje li-useless, and then ligcine selingakwazi ukuthola ngempela isikhathi or i-game time kulo team. Labantu bamangala ukuthi why usibani banangathola i-game kanti bamsayine based on i-agent. Asingene ku-Cheslet. Ngeke ngayikhuluma lento le, but ngizoyikhuluma futhi ukuthi abantu bayizwe kahle. I-Kaizer Chiefs ayikaze yamfuna uCheslet, akaze yamfuna uCheslet, ayikaze yaba neplan laka-Cheslet, not even once, not even a single day i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna uCheslet. I'm not saying he's a bad player, siyamazi une-record elihle kakhulu bafethu in terms of ukushaya amagoli. Lo muntu uyi-creative midfielder, but una over 40 or 20 goals or so because of good in terms of i-range. Uyakwazi ukushaya ibhola out of 18, uyakwazi ukushaya ama-free kick, une-good range, umuntu okwazi ukushaya nje i-target ekude, right? But i-Kaizer Chiefs yona ayikaze yamfuna uCheslet for over a year. uCheslet, he was parachuted by i-agent yakhe ukuthi eze la eSouth Africa ezodlala. But-ke na uCheslet wayefuna ukubuya la eSouth Africa ukuthi aselekthwe kuBafana Bafana, right? But i-Kaizer Chiefs bengakaze imicabanga ingakaze imbone uCheslet. I-agent la pusha for le move le. Same thing lento eyenzeke ngoSipho Mbuli. Kaizer Chiefs ayikazi ufuna uSipho Mbuli, ayikazi be-interested. Yayimfuna uSipho Mbuli before aya kuMamelodi Sundowns laphana kuSuperSport United, but SuperSport United babethengisela iSundowns phela ama-team babe ne-relationship ne-Sundowns ukuthi bayathengiselana. Inokwenzeka into same relationship ekuChippa United ne-Orlando Pirates. If Orlando Pirates izoya kuChippa United, Orlando Pirates they are preferred more than amanye ama-team, right? And then same relationship ekhona ku-Orlando Pirates ne-Golden Arrows ukuthi Orlando Pirates they are preferred first before bathengisa i-player to kwamanye ama-team, right? So I don't know, man. Kaizer Chiefs, they have to stop being manipulated with bathenga ama-player abangawadingi because of ama-fans aba-excited ukuthi finally kuthengwa ama-player. And khona ama-player athengwayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ubona ukuthi uthengwe lani usibani ufike kanjani. Ngengilo engikhuluma uMorris ukuthi bafike kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But I suspect the same thing lento le ama-agent aba-involved bathi manifuna usibani bani kumele nimthathe nobani. So and ubheke kuma-presentation bavele bapresente lama-player wethu or bangaba-present immediately, bapresente lo bakhohlwe lo bampresente after 2 weeks or so, but bona bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi they were manipulated. uBobby Motaung if abantu inkinga ngithanda ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi. uBobby Motaung mekhuluma is it Robert Marawa if angilenzi iphutha, ukhuluma indaba yokuthi babe scouter kanjani kudala, asho ukuthi babe scouter based on italent ahamba ekoZimbabwe aye koZambia baye kuphi bolibona bahlale ngaphansi kwezihlahla bolibona iplayer, bathi abasenzi kanjalo anymore. Manje ba scouter ngedata ama-stats. That is why babathengisela imbombayi because of khona amalika esingawaboni nokuwabona e-TV bazobathengisela based on ama-stats, bababonise ama-video waku-YouTube ayi-3 umuntu ashaya amagoli akahle kanti udlala ku-4th division yakuleyo lizwe lelo. Bamanipulate i-database yakhe ya-online and then Kaizer Chiefs izosana lelo player leyo kanti imbombayi akanalutho, ayikho into azoyiletha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then because bona abekho they're not invested as before in terms of ukubheka ukuthi ama-player talented or not. For the past few years basayina ama-player angadeserve ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bheka for the past 10 years i-striker abazisayinile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then uwubuza ukuthi bazisayine based on what? Basisayine based on lama-stats la uBhubhi bekakhuluma ngawo, wazi-expose yena akhuluma ngalama-stats ukuthi basayine ama-player kanjani. But it's not like before. What is stopping i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iye on the ground ukuthi uyosayina ama-player? Coach Nabi, I liked what Coach Nabi was doing, by the way. Befuna ukuletha ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs awaziyo, hayi ukuthi bengafuna ukuthi bamsayinele ama-player abawazi based on i-data. Bekaya eTanzania wahamba ubani uT1 or uTawane lo baba lo oyi-head of scouting department aphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ahamba naye ko-Tanzania ba-scout ama-player, afuna ukuwabona direct straight. Pho banaso isikhathi sokubuyela ama-players straight bafowethu. Basayina based on ama-agent nama-relationships abanawo nama-agents. That is why isikhathi esiningi banokuthiwa basayina ama-players just for a final fit. And khona i-message engike ngayibona a few days back la kuma-comment section ithi finally Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi ngo-Ighodaro nangovele baye basayina ama-player a-right, equality than quantity. That line was very important for me because it reminded me ukuthi basayina ama-player already abawabonile la eligini performer ane-proven track record, hayi ukuthi ama-player bawubone ama-stats wabo online, babona ku-YouTube ama-clips a few, babona ukuthi ugood lo muntu, only to find out mefika ejimini ye-Kaizer Chiefs afike ahluleka. I liked what they did. Ubani Mhleli Mabuza lo kwakumele aze ku-Kaizer Chiefs, he came lapha eNaturena wajima ne-Kaizer Chiefs, babona ukuthi okay unalo i-talent, I can contribute to i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then beku-expected ukuthi asayine ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but only for Thabiso Munyane ukuthi abe available mahala from Orlando Pirates, and then that thing changed everything. Bagcina bangamsayinanga umfana because of udlala i-right back, noThabiso Munyane udlala i-right back. Thabiso Munyane une-proven record obviously kubhethe i-Premiership or kwibhola lase-South Africa, they preferred yena. Siyazi ukuthi Thabiso Munyane udila ngama-injuries, but that was a great signing compared to ukuthi basayine i-player edlala eCongo esingakaze silibone naku-Champions League or CAF Confederations Cup. Sayinani abantu abana-proven track record. Ulilepho sike sambona edlala neMamelodi Sundowns, ngikhumbula kahle ku-Champions League bafowethu. So sayina umuntu enike nambona, ningasayini umuntu based on ama-agent, ningavumeli ukuthi ama-agent amanipulate. Okay, sengiyivala-ke. Ulo kuSoccer Beat bathi ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs angaya kuma-loan, uCheslade, oShinga nabanye laphana Kaizer Chiefs if abatholi i-game time la bayidingayo, because already amalokhu njani ama-player laphana Kaizer Chiefs are-frustrated ukuthi awadlali because of i-team. I-player malifika ethimini lifuna ukudlala, especially uCheslade ngoba babuye bo-Europe, ba-expected ukuthi badlale bathole i-game time laphana. But-ke ngicela laba bafethu abafuna ukudonate nayi i-account nama-details ekugcineni, liyakhula i-page kancane kancane, noma kuthiwa umuntu nje ufakele u-20 rand ukuthi simeke sure ukuthi le page siyalidinga, laba abafuna ukulithatha le page leli babe nenkinga, yabo, hayi ukuthi abantu bangihehe ngemali, because kuyenzeka okwamanje. Danko bafethu, ngiyabonga kubo bonke abantu abasubscribe-ayo abalayikhayo. Let's keep the conversations going. Ngingabhala online lapho bafethu kuma-comment section ukuthi nifuna ngikhulume ngani. Yeah, I will definitely talk about that. Ngoba ngithola ama-message amaningi kakhulu from even nakuma-video wakudala, so ku-timeline yami le yala ku-YouTube, so kuvele ama-message uthole ukuthi ilawa le phezulu, uthi uyabheka i-message ye-video ya-last week, so it overshadows lama-messages lawa awama-video wa-currently. But I'll try and get to respond kwamanye ama-messages. Danko.